A concert for the Philippines hosting of the 2025 FIVB Volleyball Men's World Championship was held yesterday. At para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
President Bongbong Marcos and First Lady Luisa Araneta Marcos hosted the PH to Serve, a concert for the one-year countdown to the Philippines hosting the FIVB Volleyball Men's World Championship 2025 at the Kalayaan Grounds in Malacanang last night. PH to Serve is a way to show the government and the nation's support to Alas Pilipinas, the men's national volleyball team. Last night's event features 11 world-class Filipino artists who competed at the W Copa or World Championships of Performing Arts. JB De La Cruz, known as the first and only laserman of the Philippines, and the Electrofire LED and the Tron dancers also captivated the audience with their tech-savvy visual arts. In a light moment during the event, the national volleyball team also danced the viral Maybe This Time with TikTok star Ralph Cyril Villaruz.
One more time!
The Alas Pilipinas athletes were presented during the event together with the coaching staff.
Here is our national men's volleyball team! Alas Pilipinas!
The Philippine Sports Commission emphasized the importance of hosting the FIVB Volleyball Men's World Championship.
It's crucial that we all collaborate and help each other because this is actually a big event and this is also crucial for our country. So let's all work together.
The concert ended by presenting a commemorative gift to the President. Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza, We Are One News.